Ubak bacop si pengrup MDC ke National People's Party na Rambarai Jerngam constituency habakran na kejing yalang yatai lor kapang party politics and politic participation belakot penlong dakatrat political science, history, sociology bat philosophy ke Sanggarep College hakasautrik na wiang arjar puar ulak keno bawa Roni V Lingdo MDC ke Kongres na Meliam constituency Cukran ni lor kamar kaput menbau dangbat ke kam kum menteri sarkar jelah kisnam ki beladam kani kejing keno buat bajob kalalong halor kecingnya hapdeng jong'u buat baroni hakador bar telang batang sisngi jong hasil Uttermost District Council menhakalai terik nai wiang arjar puar kumban syukrau bau baroni ulak khulit tare kejing temu buat bajob ban penpainia kejing kran jong'u kata mari dep kran halor kapang tai kaput Meghalaya bat Assam balawanra du MDC syusi hak konsil ba bindo lenong uba bajob ulak keno bu MDC na Meliam ule kai dong sanyima bat persyang ban penrung ke jimut jeng perhat ki pajba bak sarkar MDA bementah kalap hialah ke jingi penbejput
Boleh ke six schedule ya kitu kishnang bat yang memorandum of understanding boleh ke six schedule number kindly
fish market
cross check cross check
only member who moved the motion can sit for a fish
at least don't mislead the house don't mislead the house boleh ya ke six schedule kitu ki conference ki bahang kitu kishnang
dan follow ikarol ngar ku akran biang ustad fish
Yesterday I was having a fierce debate in the session in the district council. One member of the district council from Meliam, he's a member from Meliam. He was minister in the previous governments. He was a cabinet minister. He never spoke about border when he was a cabinet minister. But yesterday he spoke the love for the Jadbinrium, for the state. That is politics. Any political party, to gain mileage, to get mileage, they'll play politics. That is the politics that he's trying to play to induce in the minds of the people of state that this government has failed in solving the border issue. That is politics.